Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name's Tony, and I want to help you learn how to make money selling t shirts and other things online, even if you don't have any design experience. Today, we're going to talk about contrast and how that can help you make better designs, even as a beginning designer. So, let's just jump right into it. The 5 things we're going to talk about are value, negative space, color, shape and form, and size. So value just basically refers to how light or dark something is. And if I start working, if let's say for example, I have a shirt that's gray and gray right in the middle here, and this is my color. It's kind of in between. This looks obviously better on white, and white looks better on black, and this is just kind of in between no matter which ones we choose. So that's something to keep in mind. I think black or white works on this color, and it's just kind of in the middle. It's not going to stand out as much as it would on a completely opposite color. But the one good thing you can do with value here is I had a design that went something like this: I love running my mouth. Bring this in so we can see everything. And it says one thing like this: I love running my mouth, and that's how it reads. Now, if I take this part right here and I make it this 10% value, and if it's on a white shirt like this, then it becomes a joke, and it's kind of funny because when people look, they see I love running, and then, oh wait, my mouth. So first, you think it's a running shirt, exercise based, but you're really just talking about how you like to run your mouth. So that's what that is. And color is also related to value. This kind of works together. And so color, this is a complementary color scheme, and just you take two colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. And so let's say I start with this purple shirt, and then I type in world champions. World champions. And I make this yellow color that stands out against the purple. Now if I make it this color, it makes it a little harder to read because their values are close to each other. So that would be like if I took a value from here and then one from there. It doesn't stand out as much as a value from there. So here you have color and value, and we can bring that further. So I can say world champions, make it this value, then I can add underneath there 2020 here. And if I make it this lighter purple, then I'm creating importance. So I'm going to read this brighter color first, then I'm going to read this lighter color, because this color blends in more with the background than this one. And I can even use this other color here if I wanted. And that's basically the most basic form of color and value. For now, I would stick with just keeping things as basic as possible. If you're still learning, we'll go into color in the future for sure. The next one is negative space. So negative space is this white space around everything. And this one I have the tracking in very tight, and this one the tracking is loose, and my letter forms are thinner. So I can make a design like that. So it could say always this one. Let's say always faithful. And I can create contrast and negative space this way, or I can even play with it and let's say I make a box here. And I make this white, so we still have the negative space here used in a different way. And with this I could even air this out a little bit. And it still works because we have different amounts of negative space in these. And this is another simple design that you can use with pretty much any two-word design, especially. So you can do, you can do, like, let's say this something says, I love grandma. You know, that's a shirt a design you can do and sell it to on you can't call it a onesie, but a bodysuit or something like that for babies, a toddler shirt, and that would work. All right, now shape and form has to do with the shape of your design elements. So we have these two going straight, and this one is on an arc. And also it could refer to the letter forms themselves. So we have a nice sans serif, very straight typeface here with Helvetica, and then a kind of bouncy script. And we can do those. We can do all kinds of designs with that too, just like that. 3 words. I have one. Let me see. So you could say like weight and diet, for example. And that could be something that you use for a fitness type of thing or whatever. But the main thing is you have contrast in the shape of things and in the form of things. And then the last one is size. So the importance here is determined by the size of your design elements. So this is a good thing. You can do something like Grandpa established 2021. I'll line that up here so we have some kind of symmetry, or not symmetry, but balance. And you can do that. And this is another customizable shirt. You could put Papa or Nana or whatever. And yeah, like I said, this is just a basic size thing. And as this word gets smaller, then you could probably make this word, this little grouping a little smaller. And that's another way to do designs. And basically, I would stick with these 4 kind of basic concepts of contrast right now if you're just starting, and all of them will get you pretty good results, and again make it look like you are at a higher level than you might be as far as design goes. And that's it for this one. I just wanted to show you this real quick. It's something I think about a lot, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll see you on the next one, and thank you for watching.